Shout out to the little brother. Happy birthday, 24 years. Yeah. Danny, Dr. Dan. What's good, bro? This is for you. Yeah. Happy birthday, bro. God bless you. You know a rhyme, so I'll do that too. You're the baby of the house, but a grown man. His name is Daniel. Yo, some people call him Dan. In your life, we all know God has been good. Where there was no way, he made a way for you. In danger, bro, he came to the rescue. If you know, that's the truth. Both born in July, that ain't no lie. If you knew this guy's story, you would probably cry. But today ain't no day for any kind of tears. Shout out to my little brother, 24 years. You were far way away, but that's okay. This is EK, I hope you have a nice day. God bless you, bro, we all love you. Enjoy your day, play, 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 play.